Hello my dear students, let us start today's class. In the last class, I have explained how to draw a bar graph. Today's class, I will take histogram. How to draw a histogram. Okay, histogram same thing. We have to draw the axis. We have to take the scale, everything. Everything should be the same. Now, one thing, my dear students, a few students ringed me up. What type of graph paper you have to purchase? My dear students, you go to the shop, library. Graph paper you have seen in the video, and the size must be lab size copy. Lab size copy. That will be the size. The size of the paper should be the paper of a lab size copy. Clear? Okay then. The same type of paper you will be getting in the exam also for doing that graph. Clear? And these questions carry, my dear students, solid marks. Okay, histogram which you will draw now, at least 5 to 7 to 8 marks, solid marks. So go through it, very scoring chapter, my dear students. Okay, so let me explain. In the next class, we will be doing the last topic, that is the pie chart. After that, one more class I will get. On that day, I will give again whatever I think that it will be easy for you. Maybe pie chart, maybe your bar graph, or maybe your histogram. I will decide it later on. But take today histogram. Come to question number 2. Here, from this exercise, I have done question number 2 already done. 2 for bar graph, 3 I will be doing for histogram. Okay, 3 and 4 actually. 3 and 4 combined this question actually. 3 is to make the frequency distribution table, and 4 carries your the histogram. So I am combining it. Question number 3 I have taken as I have started this exercise as for taking the example, my dear students. Don't think that I am following the exercise. I have to take some question to do it. So for histogram I am taking this. Clear? That is that much clear. Okay. So see, the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are given. Here also I have written this. You will also write down like this in your copy. When you will be doing in the exam also, you will be doing like this. Or in the exam, it may be in the question paper. From the question paper itself we can draw. From here, we can start from the frequency distribution table. Don't forget to give the topic, frequency distribution table. Now the first thing is that, my dear students, while drawing a histogram, we need class intervals. Now see, what are class intervals? What type of class intervals I will take here too. Okay, see, what is the lowest value here? What is the lowest value? I think the lowest value is, what is the lowest value? Lowest value 804. Yes, 804 is the lowest value. Clear to me? And what is the highest value? I think 898. 898. So these, the whatever intervals, class intervals means whatever intervals will take, these values must come. Okay. So 804 is the lowest value. So can I take a difference of 10? Let me take 800 to 810. This is known as the lower class limit. This is known as the upper class limit. And upper class limit minus lower class limit gives you the size of the class interval. Class size. Next again 810 will come here. 810 to 820. It will depend on the lowest and the highest values. Clear? 820 to 830. Clear? Okay, in this way we will take the values, class intervals. Yes, in this way I have continued. So 880. So here in this way 880 to 880 to 890. Okay, and 890 to 900. Okay, now see these class intervals, which values it will take. 800 to 810 will take the values from 800 to 804. 809, my dear students. This class interval will take the values 810 to 819. Follow the video properly, otherwise you will not understand. And suppose 850 to 860, it will take the values from 850 to 859. 890 to 900. Which values it will take? 890 to 899. Understood? So here 898 is the highest value. So we'll stop with this class interval. Understood? Clear? Our starting value was 804. Now you can say, Miss, we can take 800 to 805. Yes, why not? But the class intervals will increase. Okay, the number of class intervals will increase, number of bars in the bar graph will, in the histogram will increase. In the histogram also, you have to draw the bars just like you have drawn in the in the bar graph. But here is a difference. Here the bars will be continued. There will be no gap between the bars. In the bar graph there was gap, but here there will be no gap. Got it, my dear students? Now see, got it, this one? This will carry the value 800 to 809 and here 890 to 899. So our value is covered. Our highest value is 898. Now see. Now 800 to 809. How many values are there? 800 to 809. Let us see. No. One value. 809. 2. 800 to 809. 2 only. Isn't it? Yeah, 806. 3 values. So frequency is how many? 3. Telemarks, can you remember? 1, 2, 3. Okay then? Okay then. 800 to 820. What are the values it will take? 810 to 819. In the same way you will do. Not that you will give the cross marks and write down this. The way in which I am doing, in the same way we will be doing in the copy. Now 810 to 820 means 810 to 819. 810 to 819. 810 to 819. See the values. 810. 1. 812. 2. Okay. 812. 2 na? 800. 1, 2, 3. I think 3 na? Yes, 3. 3 again. 3 values I think na? 3 again 3. Isn't it? Yes, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay then. Clear. Okay. Now see the next one. 820 to 830. It will cover the values from 820 to 829. 820 to 829. 820 to 829. No. Here also no. 820. 1 only. 1. Is it the value 1? Yes, the value is 1. Okay, 1 then 1. 830 to 840. 830 to 840 means 830 to 839. 830 to 839. 1, 2. Okay, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Many values. 9 values. 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you remember? 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. Then 840 to 850. The values will be 840 to 850. Means 840 to 849. 1, 2, 3. 4. 4 values. 4 na? 840 to 849. 840 to 849. Yes, no other values are there. 840 to 849. 4 values. 4 na? Okay then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay then this value. Clear to me? Then 850 to 860. Means 850 to 859. 850 to 859. 1. 59. 1 value. Isn't it? 1 means 1. Then 860 to 869. Here the values will this within this interval. This is the lower limit. This is the upper limit. Class size is 10. So 860 to 869. 860 to 869. No value here. 860 to 869. 1, 1, 2. 869. 2. 3 values. 3. Isn't it? 3 values. So 1, 2, 3. Here 870 to 879. 870 to 879. 870. Here no values. 870 to 879. 1. 1 na? 1. 1 thing. Yes, 1. 1. So 1. Got it? 880 to 889. 880 to 889. 880 to 889. No values. Yes, this one. Only one value. 1. Then this one 890 to 900 means 890. It will cover the values from 890 to 899. 890 to 899. 1, 2. Okay. 2, 3 I think. 3. Isn't it? 3 values. Got it? No. Yes, 4 values. 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Okay. Now total it. How many workers were there? 30. It will come 30. 3, 3, 6, 7, 4, 11, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 30. In this way, you will write 30. You check it whether it is the value same or not. In this way, we will make the frequency distribution table, my dear students. In this way, you will prepare the frequency distribution table. In the same way, we will write it down. We will note it down. After that, we will do. Clear? Okay. Now, let me come to the graph. Already I have drawn it. It is actually, it covers question number 4, my dear students. It actually draw the histogram. It is question number 4. If you can't, if you don't follow the book, it is also okay. Let it be the question and this is the histogram. Same way. Now see. Here you have to take the class interval. Here a very important thing to be noted, my dear students. Very important thing. In the x-axis, you have to take the class intervals. You have to take the class intervals. Now see what to take. So here the first class interval is your what? 800 to 810. Now see, actually here the difference is what, my dear students? Difference is what? Difference is, the class size is what? 10. Now see, here it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. In this way up to, you have to 800, then 810, 820, 830, 840. Is it possible in a bar graph? Sorry, in a graph paper, my dear students? Is it possible? No, na? Only 10 or how much I have done? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50. Almost 50, up to 50. But we need 800. So is it possible? So what to say? Here I will make one kink. Here you see, I am showing you. That means I will make a, you think that I have turned the graph. Just the graph paper has been turned. Okay, this one. This is known as the kink. Here there is one discontinuation. This part of the graph paper, I have omitted this part of the graph paper. Okay, now from here I will take. So here I will take your 800 in this way. See, follow me. I will take here your, is it visible? Yeah, from here I will take 800. Yes, 800. Then 810 in this way. Very easy and very interesting, my dear students. 820. Now see, I have taken. Clear? See here. Now these are what? These are the weekly wages, na? Wages. 800 to 800. These are what? Weekly wages. Or suppose you are unable to write, you can write here class intervals. No problem. You can write class intervals. Here it is the number of workers. These are the wages. This is the worker. If you can't, you can write frequency also here. No problem. Frequency. Understood? Now see. Frequency. In the frequency table, see the lowest value is 1. The highest value is 9. So we can take like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So here along scale along y-axis 10 small boxes equal to 1 worker. Now see, suppose my dear students, you have written here frequency. What you will write here? Suppose you are confused. You write 1 unit. No problem. Write down 1 unit. Okay, here also class interval. No need to write down the scale of the x-axis. No problem. You can write here class interval. You can write here frequency. Here in place of worker, as there is worker, I have written worker. If there you write frequency, you write here unit. No problem. Understood, my dear students? Every possibilities I have told. Now see. Now 800 to 810. What is the frequency? The frequency is 3. In the same way, this is the class interval. This is your 3. So here mark it just like that day. Here it is your 3. Write down here 3. Take out your scale and draw the graph. Okay, in this way. This and this will come like this, isn't it? Yeah. What is the thing here? You see, you'll see that there will be no gap between the bars. This is the main thing. You'll find that there will be no gap between the bars. Why see? Now see, next class interval is 800 to 820. What is it? 3. 800 to 820. Again it is 3. That means this is the bar, there is your 3. Understood? So again you will be getting 3. Am I clear? So here, see here, it will be your 3. Again it is 3, no problem. No problem. See here, again it is 3. I'm showing you. Again it is 3. Yes, this is also 3. Then next class interval 1. Next is 820 to 830. Got it? Why we are not getting any gap between the bars? In the histogram there is no gap. This type of histogram, okay, is because it is continuous class interval. Discontinuous class intervals are also there. You will be getting it in the higher classes. 1. The frequency is 1 here. So here 1. In this way, we will draw the graph. Clear? Okay. Okay then. So here is your histogram ready. Okay, got it? Clear how to take the class intervals? Why this one? Because here you have to take 10. See, here is a difference of 800. Here is a difference of 10. So it is not possible 0, 10, 20, 30. It is not possible on a graph paper. So I have shown here a break. It is known as kink, K-I-N-K, kink in the graph. Okay. Whenever there is a discontinuity, we draw the kink. Suppose here it is 20, 30, 40, 20, 30, 40. So here it is 10. Difference of 10, na? So, but here is a difference of 20. You can make a 20 difference of, here you are getting 20, 30. So here is a difference of 10, but here is a difference of 20. Then you can draw the, make a break in the graph. Now, suppose here it is 0, 10, 20, everywhere difference of 10. Then it is no need of this. It is not needed. But if you draw, suppose in this graph, same question is there. You are starting from 800 here. Without the kink, you will be getting 0 in the histogram. Mind it, my dear students. Mind it. Suppose without the kink you have made the graph, okay, 0, 800. But here I will see that there is a difference of 800 and there is a difference of 10. So how will you get the marks? Got it? It is a wrong one. Clear to me, my dear students? Hope I am able to make you understand. Okay? Hope so. I know it is difficult to understand these things in a online class. I know it, my dear students. I can feel your problem, but I have nothing to do. Okay, the system is like that. Last year also, you can ask your seniors, this chapter was not there. But this time I thought that for how many years? I don't know for how many years this pandemic is going to continue. So we cannot omit the things like that. Na? So I have kept it. Hope so you are getting me. Okay, you are very much free to call me. Yesterday also a few students called me there regarding their problems. You are also free to call me out, ring me. No problem. Okay then. Remembered? Okay, do remember it. Suppose the class interval is 0, 10, 20. No problem then. 0, 10. Then 0 to 10, suppose 1. It will continue the first bar. You can take the base as the axis itself, 0 to 10 in this way. Clear? Suppose I am showing you. See, do follow it. Suppose the class interval is, just for example, the class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 in this way. 20 to 30, no problem. Then suppose you have drawn the axis, it is 0, it is 10, just for example, 20, 30. Then 0 to 10, suppose it is 2, 3, 4 in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose it is 2, no? So 2 is this, you can start from here, no problem. Then 3, it will be here, you can draw like this, no problem. This is 2, this is 3. Clear? Okay, got it? That is the thing. So this is your histogram. Hope it is clear. So again I am telling, while drawing the graph, my dear students, don't go outside the margin. See, this is the margin of the graph. Nothing I have written outside the margin, and moreover, you have to write everything using your pencil. Clear? Okay. So in the last class we have done bar graph. In this class we have done histogram. For histogram, class intervals are must. So how to draw the class intervals? Class intervals, drawing of class interval is easy one. Okay, see the lowest value, see the highest value. Take a particular difference, maybe 10, maybe 5. So suppose you take a difference of 10, you are getting only 3 class intervals. No, then make a difference of 5. Okay, at least a good number of class intervals must be there, and not that in taking a difference of less class size, you are getting suppose 10 class intervals. No, it will be difficult for you to draw. Here I have, how many bars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is some, it is limited. Okay, now don't go for drawing bars 17, 18, 20. It is not possible also in the graph. So while taking the class intervals, okay, give a thought on it. Okay, so this is all about your histogram. In the next class, we will start our pie chart. So do follow the video properly. Again I am telling, do follow the video properly. Okay, this much for today, my dear students. Thank you.